Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete alarm clocks on your iPhone, follow these simple step-by-step instructions to keep your alarm list organized and remove any unwanted alarms. Step 1. Open the clock app on your iPhone by tapping the clock icon on your home screen. Step 2. Tap on the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen to view all your active and inactive alarms. Step 3. Locate the alarm you want to delete from your list of alarms. Step 4. Swipe left on the alarm you wish to remove. This will reveal a delete button on the right side. Step 5. Tap the red delete button to permanently remove the alarm from your iPhone. Step 6. Alternatively, tap Edit in the upper left corner of the screen, then tap the red minus icon next to the alarm you want to delete and confirm by tapping Delete. Step 7. Repeat these steps for any additional alarms you want to remove from your iPhone. Step 8. When finished, tap Done in the upper left corner if you use the edit method to save your changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.